Hi everyone, I'm Jessica from Afro-Vegan Society and welcome to week 4 of the holiday menu series. This week's menu is all about elevated leftovers, so I'm going to be showing you how to take leftovers from your holiday meal and turning them into delicious and simple meals with a touch of creativity. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make ramen, quesadillas, shepherd's pot pie, and a delicious milkshake. So let's get right into the recipes. First, I'm showing you how to use tofu roast and collard greens to make a delicious holiday ramen. Let's get started. Now it's time to take our jackfruit roast and roasted squash and kale salad and make a delicious cheesy quesadilla. Now we're bringing it all together to make a delicious savory shepherd's pot pie made with creamy garlic mashed potatoes, creamy mushroom gravy, green bean saute, and a combination of tofu and jackfruit roasts. Let's get baking. Finally, it's time to round out our menu of leftovers with something sweet. So I'm going to show you how to make a decadent, creamy candied yam milkshake. So there you have it, a delicious menu of elevated holiday leftovers that are going to keep you enjoying these holiday recipes that you've been making again and again. I hope that you enjoyed these recipes. If you need the links, you can find them in the comments below and in the description. And if you haven't already, be sure to register for the Vegan Holiday Menu Series with Afro-Vegan Society, because we have 2 more weeks of brand new menus coming at you to carry you through the December holidays. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.
At Afro-Vegan Society, community matters. And this giving season, we're sharing stories of community because we believe that together we thrive. We're creating a future where everyone can thrive through accessible plant-based eating and vegan living. From free cooking demos and school programs to online resources reaching thousands worldwide. This Giving Tuesday and giving season, your support helps keep these vital programs free and growing. Join us because together we thrive. Donate at afrovegansociety.org.